Yo, what up, everybody? It's your boy, the Sajeezy Show, and we are opening up 3 mega boxes today. We got a mega box of USA Baseball Stars and Stripes Prizm, a mega box of the Panini Prizm, and then the Select. So let's go ahead and get into it. I really want to start with the USA one. I haven't opened these ever, but it does say that it guarantees, or we're looking for 3 autographs or memorabilia cards. I'm gonna be honest with you, I've heard of a few of these names, not really sure what to expect, so hopefully the 3 memorabilia or autos that we get are big time. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Don't really know what to expect, to be honest with you. Let me throw on the gloves real quick. I don't want to touch anything, you know. Always gotta throw on the colonoscopy gloves. Let's check it out. So it's 4 cards. In 10 packs. 10 packs, 4 cards per pack. Alright, man. Let's check it out. I like the packaging. The card does look nice. I'm not gonna lie. The package looks nice. 2026 baseball trading cards. Alright. Never opened these up before. Okay. Roch Kalowski. I do know that's a big name right there. I do know that's one of the guys. Drew Burris on the refractor. Colton Floyd Green. Smith Beatty. Is this numbered? Numbered. Colton Floyd Green. Okay, nice. The Roch Chalosky. I'm not sure that's how you say it. And Drew Burris. I know those are 2 names. Those are 2 names that stand out. Not sure those cards are worth anything, to be honest with you. And looks like we got a memorabilia card there. Okay. Jaden Jackson on the refractor. Connor Wells base. Ryder Helfrich. Patch. Ethan Kleinschmidt. Refractor patch. Pretty cool USA one. It's not numbered, but hey, I gotta look him up. I gotta see. It's pretty cool. Sick looking card. I will say the material of the card is pretty sturdy. It's not like those paper thin cards, which I don't like personally. We got something there in the back. Kind of reminds me of like Donruss Optic, like that. Chase Gockenbach, Nolan Hatch, Junior Lopez on the refractor. Talsman, Max Hemingway. Yeah, the cards feel sturdy. They look nice. Early prospect hunting, you know. That's what we're doing here. Don't expect a whole lot too much, just fun. Just for the hobby right here. Okay, we got USA flag there on the back. That's pretty cool. Alright. Grant Sperandino, Keegan Burke, base. Connor Balazic on the refractor. Jamie Arnold, All-American. I haven't heard, like I said, too much about these names. Right now, so far, nobody personally stands out. Got more color there. Alright, another green. Evan Dempsey. KJ Scooby. Tyler Bell on the green. And Cedric Henderson on the refractor. Oh, look, one of these tag thingies. They usually say those boxes have the hits. So let's see. We got a lot more packs to go. See, we got a big banger here. Okay, we got something else here. Another patch. All right. Lewis Slap on the refractor. Anthony Murphy base. Brennan Hugh. Patch Chris Rember. Nice. Right on campus, beginning. I really don't know these guys. Like I said, they're young college athletes, but these cards are pretty cool, man. I'm definitely going to go ahead and, when this video is over, done ripping up all these packs, I'm going to look into these guys, see where they're at in their careers, learn a little bit. It's the fun thing I like about ripping packs, man. You learn as you go. All right, let's see. We got color here, dude. So, I'm not really sure what that means, but let's go. Okay, Grayson Bell. Marcus Cantu, green. Jacob Simon, USA Stars and Stripes, Prismatic, Eric Becker. Nice. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve these up, by the way, once I'm done. It's just, I like to really honestly get through it before I sleeve it up. I'm going to sit here and take my time doing that. All right. Base, silver, Colton Floyd, fireworks, Coleman Berthwick, and Duncan Mount on the base. All right, so we got room for either one more patch or an auto. Hopefully we hit a big auto. Let's get an auto, man. These patch cards, I'm not too sure what to think about them. Okay, green. I got green. Anthony Fausto III. Jason Marl Jr. Ricky Lopez on the green. And Coleman Berthwick on the prismatic. Alright, we got one more pack. Last pack magic, baby. Let's get it done. Alrighty. So no patch. Maybe an auto here. Russell McGee. Junior Lopez on the green diamond. I don't even know what this is, but this is a pretty sick card, dude. And then Tyler Bell on the refractor. So a nice hit here. Junior Lopez. It's like a green sapphire, green diamond type of card. Number to 99. Let's go. It's a nice hit. Let's get this sleeved up. Last pack magic for real. Appreciate you, Junior. All right, so tell me, drop a comment what you think on the USA box. What are your thoughts, your opinions on it? I'm gonna go ahead, get these sleeved up, top loaded, and set up here so we can start the next box. All right, so we just opened up the USA Stars and Stripes. Now let's go ahead. I want to start with the Select. Let's do Select. Gotta save the Prizm for last, you know, just in case. Pull a big time silver out of there. Rookie of some. You never know. You never know. I don't know. Something's telling me Select. I'm gonna go Select right now. Okay, where I just opened this box up was atrocious. I know. Get some good stuff. So here, man, we got Select 2025. We're looking for 10 mega box exclusive black and green Prizm Shock parallels. Patty Mahomes on the front, you know. We're looking for the ultra rare zebras. Look for autographs, dude. Let's go. Let's go big time here. Come on. Packs feel sturdy, dude. because they're thick. Okay, so we got color. I'm not sure what to expect out of this one, but we got something. Okay, so Jack back. Ty Felton base. Puka Nakua on the refractor. It's a sick card. Carson Schwessinger. He just won Defensive Rookie of the Year, I believe. Dalton Kincaid. Cole Kmet backwards. Nice. Okay, so Dalton Kincaid. I don't think this is numbered. No, it's not numbered. Cole Kmet backwards. Well, we got him 4 backwards. Okay, so just base card. Base Cole Kmet. All right. And then Matthew Golden. Select certified. Insert. Nice. Alrighty. Dang, I got excited. I saw Cole Kmet backwards. I'm like, nah. He got an auto. That's sick. Alright. Marvin Harrison Jr., Stephon Diggs, Jalen Noel, Isaac Tesla, rookie. Let's go. Travis Etienne, Jonathan Taylor backwards. Okay, we got Nico Collins on the number. Bro, I'm getting scared. I feel like I'm going to turn it around. There's going to be a banger, bro. Banger. Come on, man. Those backwards cards are getting me nervous. Hey, there you go, Jackson Dart. Nice, Jackson Dart. Jordan Watkins, Russell Wilson, RIP. Jahdae Barron. Joe Andreessen. Jalen Hurts backwards. Base. Okay, so these are just base cards backwards. Nice. And then DK Metcalf on the turbocharged. So these base cards are backwards? I'm not understanding. Oh, and we got a patch. We got a thickie here. Thickie, and I see red. Select. Justin Fields. Alec Pierce. Cam Scatterbo on the refractor. Okay. We're going to save that one for last, dude. I'm getting nervous. Cam Chancellor. Base. Ashton Genty. Future. Base. Colson Loveland. Oh, that's disgusting. Leonard Williams, Jets, Seahawks, multiverse patch. Is it numbered? I don't have a number on the back. I don't see a number on the front. That does suck, but it is a sick card, dude. Leonard Williams, brother. Just won the Super Bowl. Disgusting. Nice card, man. Nice card. It's for Jets or Seahawks, man. Wow. I have not pulled one of those yet, bro. It's a sick multiverse card. And we got, is that gold? Yeah, we got gold. What's going on here, dude? These mega box hit. These select mega boxes. Drake London. Amika Ekbuka. Jack Sawyer. Guy's a beast, brother. Not numbered, but we'll take it. Elijah Arroyo. Nice. Jalen Royals. And Abdul Carter. Last pack. I don't know, dude. I thought I saw red. I'm not gonna lie, I got excited. I was thinking, I saw 2 legs. I was like, dude, we got a dual auto to 5 of something crazy off a mega box. Like, who would have thought? We got more color, fellas. We got red again, blue. Okay, we're gonna start with the backwards card from the back, because apparently everything is based from then on. So we got Jalen Hurts on the numbers base. Savion Williams, base. Jacoby Myers, base. JJ McCarthy, base. Marshawn Lattimore on the red. Is it numbered? Yes, it is, out of 249. It's disgusting. Malik Neighbors and Tate Ratledge. None of them numbered, but hey, we'll take those. Got some nice players. Leonard Williams, multiverse patch card plays. We'll take those. Cam Scatterbo on the silver. Can't complain. It was a nice box, bro, for a mega box. Again, drop your comments in the bottom. Drop your comments in the bottom. Let me know what you guys think about these. I'm gonna go ahead and get these top loaded as well. Get ready for the next one. And the best for last, the Panini Prizm Mega Box. Dude, let's go. I'm excited. My bad. I'm excited. We got 42 cards in this box. 5 Mega Box exclusive pink parallels. I'm still hoping we get a banger. Something nice. We could get a memorabilia card. Honestly, looking for big rookie cards out of these. Alright. Let's go, man. Let's finish strong here. Here we go. Pack number 1. Josh Hines, Allen Ward, Jackson Dart, Jordan Watkins, Lamar Jackson on the pink, Josh Cornerly on the pink, Nico Collins, and Max Crosby. Speaking of the Raiders, I'm excited for the Fernando Mendoza cards to come out. Don't even know when that's going to be a thing, but you can bet putting the house on it. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Javonte Williams, Jared Goff, Kelvin Banks, Lamar Jackson on the fireworks, Calvin Johnson, Megatron on the refractor. Let's go. Cordell Stewart, Christian Watson. Megatron, dude. This pack feels a little heavy. What we got here? Am I playing my games? Oh no, there's our patch. We got a pink patch. Let's see what we got. Kyle Van Noy, Megatron, Travis Etienne, Bayshell Tootin, Cam the Man Scatterbo. We got a Miami Dolphin, Tyreek Hill on the premiere. RIP, no longer a Dolphin. See ya. Gonna miss you, Tyreek. This box is about a year too late. Oh, nice. Oh, yes, let's go. You could win Super Bowl reporter. Patty, Alec, Phil, Micah, refractor. Not sure how I'm feeling about this Panini Mega Box right now. I'll tell you that the Select right now is giving a lot more life, a lot more color. Or am I talking crap? Brock Bowers, Prison Break. Charles Woodson, Tyler Warren, nice. Sure, nothing crazy out of that one. And last pack magic. Let's go. Christian Wilkins, Jordan James, Calvin Ridley, Evan Ingram, Chris Chambers. Appreciate it. Drop your thoughts, your opinions, your comments. I really don't care. Help me engage with the post. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, show some love, show some support. Appreciate you guys. Until next time.